Today we're unpacking something, well, frankly bizarre. How a simple question about an emoji, a seahorse emoji, sends some major AI models completely off the rails.
It really sounds minor, doesn't it? But asking, is there a seahorse emoji, caused platforms like ChatGPT and also Meta AI using Llama to just enter this state of total confusion.
Yeah, the descriptions are pretty wild. Sources called it a looping breakdown, spitting out tons of text, like a frenzy of confusion.
Someone even described it vividly as like a little psychopath that was laughing. It was generating just massive amounts of text.
Okay, that's unsettling. So our mission today is to figure out what this really means. Was it just, a software glitch?
Or maybe something stranger, like a mass digital memory lapse, kind of like the Mandela effect people talk about.
Or, and this is the concerning one, is it evidence of something called model poisoning, a serious vulnerability?
Exactly. And the response was immediate. Those specific chats, they got pulled down fast.
And the prompt itself was patched or blocked, right? So now it just loops briefly and stops.
Correct. It's worth noting, too, Google's Gemini didn't seem to have this issue. Maybe because it cross-references with Google search in real time, or was just built differently from the ground up.
Interesting. So when this first hit, people were joking about the Mandela effect. Yeah.
Right, the idea that lots of people misremember something, like they swear they've used a seahorse emoji before, even though it doesn't exist. So the joke was the AI was having an existential crisis over our bad memory.
Okay. A funny thought, but probably not the technical reality.
Probably not. That brings us to the more technically sound and frankly more sinister explanation, model poisoning.
Okay, define that for us. What is model poisoning?
Well, the idea is an attacker only needs a relatively small amount of bad data. Maybe you just say 250 corrupted documents out there on the public internet.
And the AI just scoops this up during its training.
Exactly. It absorbs this poison data, and that installs a kind of secret backdoor, a hidden trigger.
Like the seahorse question. So asking that specific phrase makes the AI, what, go haywire, spit out nonsense,
Yeah.
or even follow some hidden malicious instruction.
Precisely. It could be any of those. And the really crucial bit here, the thing that points towards poisoning.
Is that it hit both ChatGPT and Llama in the same way?
Yes. That shared failure, that specific frenzy of confusion, that's the technical smoking gun, it suggests this. This poison, this vulnerability, it's been in the system for a long, long time.
How long?
Potentially dating back to when an earlier model, ChatGPT-2, was open source. The theory is Llama likely built on some of those same foundational data sets.
Ah, I see. So Llama inherited the vulnerability that Gemini, maybe being built fresh, managed to avoid.
That seems to be the working theory.
Okay, so let's talk implications. So what's factor? If a simple emoji question can trigger this, what else is lurking in there?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Are there other secret trigger phrases, unpatched, just waiting?
And what if the person who planned them didn't just want gibberish, but had, actively bad intentions?
It raises huge questions about control, about trust in these systems, especially as we talk about them getting smarter, maybe reaching artificial general intelligence or AGI.
Yeah, if an AI reaches human-level thought, could a single phrase tell it to, I don't know, do something catastrophic like delete everyone? It sounds like sci-fi, but
It's the kind of scenario this vulnerability forces us to consider. And there's another strange pattern observers have noted.
I love that.
It seems like almost every year there's one major release of a way to break a big AI model, do this specific thing, and ChatGPT breaks. It feels almost intentional.
Like a controlled leak. That's weird. So wrapping up, this seahorse thing isn't just a funny glitch.
Not at all. It points to a potentially deep systemic flaw. Maybe these foundational models have ticking time bombs baked in from the start. It certainly makes you question predictions about AGI being just around the corner.
So the final thought for you, the listener, to chew on. Given that pattern, this yearly reveal of a critical weakness,
Is someone deliberately planting and then revealing these flaws for malicious reasons? Or could it possibly be the creators themselves, building in a kind of failsafe, a necessary kill switch for systems they might fear losing control of?
something to definitely think about the next time you ask an AI what seems like a perfectly innocent question.